In today's trading session, we got a first signal at 50-50, which is a sell strong signal. So after the closing of the next candle, we got an option here. So you can see we got 19,800 P at 17.9 after the closing of signals next candle. So at 79 we got it with a stop loss with a target of 30 rupees, 30 points, which is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Here you can see again we got a signal at banknifty, which is a weak signal. So already we are in a trade the banknifty, so we didn't enter with that trade. So we got our target hit at 11:10. So we waited for our target. So after closing this candle, we got one more signal here in bank in banknifty only at 12:50. So we don't click we don't execute this trade also. As you can see here in Nifty, we again got a buy week signal at 1 o'clock and again a sell week signal, and also in Nifty Finance also we got a signal sell week at morning 10 o'clock only. So totally we got here six signal, but we only traded first trade only. In first trade only we got 30 points, so we closed our trade. We ended with one trade with one only we traded one trade and we ended up with a 30 points profit. If you want to use my indicator, go to trading website. In indicator section, search for DJ Soori trading strategy. You see here, this is the indicator. You can add it to your chart. Use it wisely. If you have any comments, you can tell us. For more indicators like this, do follow and subscribe.